me 5 minutes, Swamiji. 12 o'clock, so only 5 minutes are remaining. Please tell us about Bhagwan Krishna, his Leela and Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad. See? So I said, Bhagwan Krishna's life is only Leela. So what Leela he did in Bhagavad Gita? He smiled at Arjun and created a confusion, whether to fight or not to fight. And when he got confused, Bhagavan continued smiling. Prasanniva Bharata. He continued smiling. And then he brought him out of that confusion, and not only that, but he brought out the best in Arjuna. And what is the best in Arjuna? At the end, he himself says, Nashto mohaha smritihi labdha tat prasadat maya achyuta. Hey Achyuta, all my delusion is gone. What is the delusion? We are not in this world to suffer. We are not in this world to get defeated. We are in this world to succeed under all conditions. See, friend, Nashto mohaha, smritihi labdha. Now I regained my wits. I am no more broken away. I am confident that I am not a dropout of life. Friends, take any event of your own life in the past when you had really broken into pieces. Now look back. The same event of your life, you will tell to your children in a glorified manner. You know, when we were children, we never used to have good food to eat. We never used to have the shoes, and we used to go to the school barefooted, and our mummy used to give us chapati, half you take, half we take, Now you talk glorying way, but that time, see friends, once you recognize this principle, that misery is an imagination, it is not true. Therefore, smritihi labdha, your wits will be collected, and how? Tat prasadat maya achyuta. It is only by the divine grace. Therefore, what is the divine grace? Divine grace is we never give up. See friends, if we want to learn commitment to the cause, don't go into the right and wrong. We are learning. If we want to learn the commitment to the cause, take our terrorist bandhus. You cannot compare their commitment with all the politicians of the world put together. We may condemn them, but see their commitment. They never say, oh, I want to go and, attack that thing, but there is no Coca-Cola there. Disgusting. What we lack in our life is commitment, friends. Therefore, Nashto moha smriti labdha tat prasadat maya achyuta. Divine grace expresses as self-confidence. In Sanskrit, the word is Atma Vishwas. Atma and Paramatma is one. Paramatma Vishwas manifested at the level of the individual is Atma Vishwas, self-confidence. Those who have faith in God, they have confidence in themselves. If we say that I have faith in God, but I am very miserable, you are making a cartoon of devotion. See friends, Nashto moha smriti labdha tat prasadat maya achyuta. Then, stitosmi gata sandehaha. Now I am without any doubt. I am firmly rooted in conviction, clarity and confidence. And therefore, karishye vachanam tava. Now I shall take the path indicated by you. See, two things are required to learn Bhagavad Gita. One, readiness to change oneself. Two, ability to change oneself. If we are not ready to change ourselves, nobody can help us. See, this is how many people, very good people, but when it comes to going and listening to satsang, they are not interested. It is not that they don't want. This question was asked to me once. In Bombay, one lady used to come for satsang regularly, and her husband used to drop her and go to a coffee shop and then again collect her on way back and go home. So one day I had to go to their house for breakfast, morning time. So he was driving the car, she was driving him, and both of them were driving me crazy. So it was a great procession going. And then the questions. Swamiji, what is the reason that some people are good, but they don't like to go to satsang? What is the reason? I said, why do you want to solve the problems which are imaginary? See? In astrology, if you give them an imaginary date of birth about someone who is not there, they do not respect that kind of date of birth. They say we do not work on hypothetical cases. In the same manner, why do you imagine if somebody, why you worry, if you want to come, you come, otherwise don't come. So, husband vacha, husband said, Swamiji, this is being said about me. It is a complaint against me to you. I said, okay, then, yes, what she tells is true. I have nothing against. But I don't know why I don't want to go to satsang. Why this happens? I said again two principles, no discussion and no argument. One more, I will talk to you after reaching home. Now you are driving and I don't have any insurance policy. So after we go home, I talk to you. And then after we finish our breakfast, I thought he has forgotten, but he was after that. Yes, Swamiji, now tell. I said, look here. When you come to satsang, many of our wrong notions are hammered and they are completely destroyed. One of the texts written by Shankaracharya Bhagwan is popularly called as Bhaja Govindam. Other name for the same text is Moha Mudgar. Mudgar means a mace, which Hanumanji has. Moha means delusion. So all our delusion, wrong notions about ourselves, about the world, about God and about spiritual practice, all of them are shattered when we go to satsang. And then it becomes a challenge for us. All these years, am I a fool living a wrong life? See, friends, one gets frightened about one's own past life. Till date, my God, I was thinking, I am a very good person, I am a very nice person, I have helped this fellow, I have helped that fellow. Goody, 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 goody is not spirituality. I have never taken 1 pound as a bribe. I am very pure. How much you have taken? 1 million pounds. See, friends, one has such wrong notions about the identity, about the world, about God, about spiritual practice, and all of them are shattered. And then one becomes frightened, because this was the thing which we are holding in our life. One example I will give you. That person is no more. His name was Sharmaji. I still remember. When I was pretty young, maybe in my 20s, and he was about 80. Everybody used to call him Guruji. I also used to call him Guruji. So he used to tell me, Swamiji, please, you don't call me Guruji. I said, okay, whatever you want, Papa, I'll call.